Hey, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly reset your cPanel password directly from your GreenGeeks account.
Start by logging into your GreenGeeks account. Once logged in, click the Manage button next to your hosting service to open the Hosting Management panel. On the Overview section, on the right-hand side, look for the Password Management section. Click on the Change Password. Here, you can enter your new desired password. We recommend choosing a strong password that is 8 to 12 characters long and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special symbols for added security. If you'd like, you can also click the Generate button to create a secure password automatically. To view the password, click the eye icon. Once you're happy with your new password, click on the Change Password button. Your cPanel password will be reset immediately.
And that's it! You have successfully reset your cPanel password. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.